I'm Jemmeli. In this video, I will present you our work illustrated in our paper entitled Design of a Miniature Circularly Polarized Antenna Operating in 3 Frequency Bands Using a Polarized Ferrite Material. So in our paper, we have highlighted the relevance of ferrites in the design of patch antennas. For this purpose, we have taken advantage of the ferrite main features, namely their anisotropy, their dispersive behavior, their non-reciprocity, and also their permeability and permittivity higher than unity, to design a multi-band circularly polarized and miniature antenna. So our work is divided on 3 main steps. The first one is to estimate the antenna working frequencies through an eigenmode study. Then the antenna behavior is evaluated through electromagnetic simulations. And the last step is the experimental validation. So let's start with the first step, which consists in considering the ferrite patch antenna as a cylindrical resonant cavity. So we assume that its bottom antenna faces as perfect electrical walls and its side face as a perfect magnetic wall. So from Maxwell's equations and considering the tensor permeability of ferrites, we can deduce the wave equation of the cavity. Then we have implemented a MATLAB code to deduce the cavity working frequencies by solving this equation, considering the boundary conditions. So from this study, we have predicted the geometrical and magnetic characteristics of our device to obtain the 3-band operation, circular polarization, and also the miniature aspect. The next step is to simulate the antenna behavior in 2 cases. The first one is the ideal case study, considering an homogeneous internal field. So during the study, we adjusted the antenna characteristics to obtain the desired criteria while having good performances. Then we add magnets to the structure to estimate the antenna response in the real case where the internal field is non-homogeneous. So in this case, we readjusted the parameters of our antenna to retrieve its ideal performances. Then our approach has been validated by an experimental validation. So we have realized and measured a prototype, and we can see from the measured performances that we have the 3-band operation. On each band, we can see that we have good circular polarization with an axial ratio lower than 3 dB on the 3 working frequencies. Also, by calculating the antenna dimensions, we can see that our device is miniature on its 2 first modes. So to conclude, in our paper, we have validated for the first time the concept of miniature circularly polarized antenna operating in 3 frequency bands using ferrite materials. And for more information, please check our paper. Thank you for your attention.